Good morning, everyone. Rachel here with Rachel's Unique Crafts, or good afternoon, wherever you are. Today we're back in the kitchen. So I'm gonna make my chicken spaghetti. So we're gonna just turn y'all around and get started. Here we go. Okay. I probably don't do mine the way everybody else does, but hey, that's why I'm showing y'all my way. Okay, I'm using, so y'all can see everything, a can of mushroom soup, I've already got my water heated up over here for my spaghetti noodles. And hope everyone is having a wonderful day. Today it is cloudy. We're supposed to get more rain today. We're going to need a boat before long, just to get in and out. Not really. We're not in a low area, and we're not in a flood zone or anything, but it's just the same. This is cream of chicken soup, by the way. So we have a can of cream of mushroom, a can of cream of chicken. This is a can of okay, almost thought I got the wrong one. Rotel tomatoes. Okay. Now let me get a fork real quick. There's a little, just splattered that, didn't I? These little spatulas are good to make sure you get everything out of the can. Let me go ahead and get some of this spaghetti started. So I got spaghetti noodles, and I break mine up in about 4. I hate trying to chase down a spaghetti noodle and you're going, you know, you're slurping it up. So just to keep them from being, you know, a foot long, I just break them up a little bit. Just one of my little things. And I don't know, let's see, this is 2 pounds of noodles. I'm not going to use not even half of that. Then I have this little handy dandy thing I've had for years and years. It's from Tupperware. My mom used to be a Tupperware sales lady many, many years ago. I usually have this in a smaller box, but we bought a big box this time, and so okay, we got that. And it's got this little where you could measure how much you want it out, but I just put it down in there. The lid on, and you can store it, and it's sealed up. I like that. That's one thing I have used religiously. I'm going to get too big of a hurry, and I'm going to stir it right on out of here. I'm as clumsy as the day is long. I make plenty of messes for myself to have to clean up. I have my oven preheated on 350. We have our noodles heating up. I'm going to take a tad. When I say a tad, I'm just sprinkling it. It's chili powder. And then I'm going to take some garlic. This is garlic powder, so it's not as strong as the salt, garlic salt. I'm going to set this aside. And put this out of my way. I have some chicken that I boiled, and I put just a little bit of seasoning salt in it when I cooked it. It's going to be really hot. Hang on just a second. Let me get some of this water off of here. Let me show you what I have. I have one of these strainers. They're real handy because all you do is do like this. You turn it, you just dump it in the sink. It's just a little handy dandy thing there. Let me find me a sharp Velveeta knife here. And all I'm going to do is cut up my chicken. And I had cut it in smaller pieces before I boiled it, so it would cook faster. And so now I'm just going to get it in smaller chunks, so it goes all through the spaghetti, and there's chicken all over it. Okay, y'all. This is chicken breast. It was deboned and skinless. I got cut out all the bristle and all that before I boiled it. And this is probably, it's about three and huge chicken breast. They were thick. It could have been butterfly and actually been like 6. So if it's small chicken breast, I'd say 6. Mine I actually had to cut in half because it was, the thickness of it was. Now this being soup, it's gonna get juicy. I'm gonna move our noodles around a little bit. Hopefully I cooked enough. If not, we can boil some more. That's the good thing about that. Set those back up in there. Get them on our way. I can go ahead and add my cheese. I like Velveeta cheese because it melts better. And this is some milk. I don't measure. I just pour it in there. I'm going to do some garlic bread to go with our chicken spaghetti. My sister's going to be bringing a salad. I'm going to have the jambalaya and the homemade ice cream and the dirt cake. So if y'all haven't seen those videos, I want to check those out too. Okay. Doesn't that look yummy? All right, I'm using Velveeta. You can use the block Velveeta, or you can get this that's already grated up. Got it all mixed up in there. And y'all, my folks like some cheese, so I'm going to put a little more. So I probably put, this is 8 ounces, so that's a cup, but I put about 2/3 of that in here. And you don't have to put that much if you don't want to. And you can even use the Velveeta block cheese that you cut. And I've got some of that. I just didn't open it up. I already had this. So, and this is a Mexican mix. Okay, now we're fixing to add our noodles into our mixture here and pop it in the oven and let it get warm, and then it's going to be done. Then we'll have a taste test. That's the best part. catch them. I always like to turn on cool water when I'm dumping hot water in the sink. But you know, you got all those gaskets and stuff in your sinks and all, so really hot water, I just always turn on cold with it. Let's see if I needed more noodles or not. I just like to get it really mixed up real good. Get the noodles covered in all the juicy goodness. Okay, now all we like is putting it in the oven, heating it up, and then eating it. So it's gonna be really good, y'all. So I'm gonna cook this, let everything get hot and melted and juicy together. I'm back. We are fixing to taste our chicken spaghetti now. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. So we got it all heated up. We got it ready for company. So it's yummy. I hope y'all enjoy this video and try the recipe. It's really good. Remember, I love you all. Get to crafting, make something beautiful, or get in the kitchen and get cook something yummy. Hit the thumbs up. Give me a share. Invite your friends to come join us, so that they can find us over here on YouTube. Share it to your Facebook page or wherever you're at. Invite them to come join us. You can hit the share button and copy the link and go share it wherever you want to. So thank y'all, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Y'all have a good evening. Bye-bye.